Welcome, fellow travelers, to a journey of discovery and wonder in the heart of West Africa. Today, we invite you to join us as we uncover the hidden treasures of Niger, a land of captivating contrasts and untamed beauty. From ancient cities steeped in history to vast desert expanses that stretch to the horizon, Niger beckons adventurers with promises of unforgettable experiences. So sit back, relax, and let us unveil 10 compelling reasons why Niger deserves a place on your travel radar. Number 1. Rich cultural heritage. Niger is a melting pot of cultures, with over 20 ethnic groups calling it home. From the nomadic Tuareg people of the desert to the Hausa in the urban centers, each group contributes to Niger's vibrant cultural tapestry. The country celebrates various festivals throughout the year, such as the Kure Sali, a gathering of nomadic tribes to mark the end of the rainy season. Visitors can immerse themselves in local traditions, music, and dance, gaining insights into the diverse lifestyles that coexist harmoniously in Niger. Number 2. The majestic Sahara Desert. Niger boasts a significant portion of the Sahara Desert, offering a surreal landscape of endless dunes and dramatic sunsets. One cannot help but be mesmerized by the vastness and tranquility of the desert, where time seems to stand still. Adventurous souls can embark on camel treks or 4x4 excursions into the heart of the desert, camping under the star-studded sky and experiencing the timeless allure of nomadic life. The breathtaking beauty of the Sahara leaves an indelible mark on every traveler fortunate enough to witness its grandeur. Picture yourself atop a camel, traversing vast expanses of golden sand dunes that seem to stretch to infinity. The Sahara's allure lies not only in its breathtaking beauty, but also in its profound sense of tranquility. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, you'll find yourself spellbound by the desert's timeless charm. Whether you're camping beneath a blanket of stars or simply gazing out over the endless expanse of sand, a journey into Niger's Sahara Desert promises to leave an indelible mark on your soul, igniting a sense of wonder and adventure that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Number 3. Wildlife encounters. Niger is home to an array of fascinating wildlife, including rare species adapted to its arid climate. The W National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, shelters diverse ecosystems teeming with wildlife such as elephants, giraffes, lions, and cheetahs. Birdwatchers will be delighted by the chance to spot over 350 species of birds, making Niger a haven for ornithological enthusiasts. Exploring the untamed wilderness of Niger offers unparalleled opportunities to observe wildlife in their natural habitats, fostering a deep appreciation for the beauty and importance of conservation efforts. But perhaps most enchanting of all is the sense of harmony that pervades Niger's wilderness, where animals roam freely and humans coexist in harmony with nature. Whether you're embarking on a thrilling safari or simply basking in the tranquility of Niger's natural wonders, encounters with the country's wildlife promise to be nothing short of magical, leaving you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. Number 4. Historical marvels. Niger boasts a rich historical heritage, with ancient civilizations leaving their mark across the landscape. The city of Agadez, known as the gateway to the Sahara, is adorned with impressive mud brick architecture, including the iconic Agadez Grand Mosque, a masterpiece of Sahelian architecture dating back to the 16th century. Visitors can wander through labyrinthine streets steeped in history, exploring ancient markets and traditional artisan workshops. The ancient city of Zinder also beckons with its well-preserved palaces and mosques, offering a glimpse into Niger's storied past. Number 5. Niger River adventures. The Niger River, the lifeblood of the country, offers a stark contrast to the arid landscapes of the north. Travelers can embark on scenic boat cruises along the river, meandering through lush greenery and picturesque villages nestled along its banks. Fishing enthusiasts can try their luck in catching the prized Nile perch or catfish, while birdwatchers can marvel at the rich avian diversity that thrives in the riverine habitats. Exploring the Niger River provides a serene escape into nature, away from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Number 6. Culinary delights. Nigerian cuisine reflects the country's diverse cultural influences, resulting in a tantalizing fusion of flavors and textures. Staple foods such as millet, sorghum, and rice form the basis of many dishes, accompanied by savory sauces and hearty stews. One cannot visit Niger without trying the national dish, fufu, a dough-like ball made from pounded yams or cassava, served with a variety of sauces and meats. Street food vendors offer an array of tasty treats, from grilled kebabs to savory beignets, providing a culinary adventure for food enthusiasts. Number 7. Hospitality and warmth. Nigerians are renowned for their hospitality and warm demeanor, welcoming visitors with open arms and genuine kindness. Travelers are often invited to share meals with locals, partake in traditional ceremonies, and engage in lively conversations that transcend cultural boundaries. The sense of community and solidarity in Niger leaves a lasting impression on visitors, fostering connections that transcend mere tourism and enriching the travel experience with genuine human interactions. Number 8. Spectacular landscapes. Beyond the desert, Niger boasts an astonishing variety of landscapes, ranging from rugged mountains to verdant oases. The Air Mountains in northern Niger offer breathtaking vistas of jagged peaks and deep gorges, providing a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and photographers alike. In the east, the stunning oasis of Bilma captivates with its lush date palm groves and crystal-clear springs, offering a refreshing respite from the desert heat. Whether trekking through mountain trails or lounging by tranquil oases, Niger never ceases to amaze with its natural beauty. Number 9. Colorful markets and crafts. Step into the vibrant heart of Niger's culture as we explore its bustling markets and celebrate the artistry of its craftspeople. From the labyrinthine alleys of Niamey's Grand Market to the bustling bazaars of Agadez, Niger's markets are a feast for the senses, alive with the sights, sounds, and smells of daily life. Here, amid the vibrant chaos, you'll discover a treasure trove of handcrafted goods, each telling a story of Niger's rich cultural heritage. Admire the intricate beadwork adorning traditional Tuareg jewelry, crafted by skilled artisans using techniques passed down through generations. Marvel at the vivid textiles dyed with natural pigments, their bold patterns a reflection of Niger's diverse ethnic tapestry. And don't forget to sample the tantalizing array of spices and exotic fruits, their aromas filling the air with an intoxicating perfume. But perhaps most enchanting of all is the opportunity to meet the artisans themselves, to watch as they ply their trade with skill and passion, turning raw materials into works of art before your very eyes. Whether you're in search of a unique souvenir or simply eager to immerse yourself in Niger's vibrant culture, a visit to its colorful markets promises to be an unforgettable experience, where every purchase is not just a transaction but a connection to the soul of this extraordinary country. Number 10. Off the beaten path adventures. For intrepid travelers seeking off the beaten path adventures, Niger offers endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Whether embarking on a camel caravan across the Sahara, camping under the stars in remote desert oases, or trekking through rugged mountain terrain, Niger rewards those willing to venture off the tourist trail with unforgettable experiences. The sense of freedom and adventure that permeates Niger's vast wildernesses leaves a lasting impression, beckoning travelers to return time and time again in search of new adventures. And there you have it, folks. 10 compelling reasons why Niger should be at the top of your travel itinerary. From its rich cultural heritage to its awe-inspiring natural wonders, Niger offers a truly unforgettable journey for those willing to explore its hidden gems. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and embark on the adventure of a lifetime in Niger.